guys, I'm here today with my Cohorted box. You know I love my Cohorted box, and this one is called Glam and Co. My name's Fawn and this is my channel. It's my happy place. I come here when things aren't going so right everywhere else, and I just cheer myself up by having a chat with my friends. If you like that kind of thing, please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave a comment. Sorry, Bert is trying to get on my lap the whole time I'm doing this. I'm talking to you and I'm wrestling down here. Please stay down, Bert. Okay, so Cohorted, as you know, I mean, I just think the value on a Cohorted box is amazing, but you do have to have the £40 a month available to do it. And there have been times in my life when I wouldn't have had £4 a month to be able to do it. So I do understand for those, you know, that it seems a bit frivolous sometimes. I have been out already today, and it's one of those horrible days with that sort of miserly rain, and it's absolutely ruined my hair. So we're just going to have to pretend that I'm looking glamorous. Here we go. So Glam & Co. So I don't really know what that will mean. As always, beautifully wrapped. And then there is the cult leaflet. Now it used to be a booklet. Oh, this t-shirt's all over the place. Used to be a booklet with pages, but it was all adverts. It was a complete waste of paper. So what they've done now is there is a scan me barcode on this that you can scan and look at the magazine, but they still put the value of the box, what the items are and how much they were on here, which makes life so much easier for people like me. So the value of the box this month is £260.40. So let's get at it. So first up is an Avant Pink Orchid Subtle Restoring Overnight Serum. I actually already have this from the Avant box and like it, so I'm happy to have another one of it. The value on this, they say, is £92, which is just, you know, would I say it's better than any of the others? I don't know that I would, but it's certainly not worse than any of the others. It is a lovely smell. It is very sort of soothing and restoring, and my face always does feel better in the morning, so I'm very happy to have that. Next up is a tiny weeny little Laura Mercier. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's got a sticker on it. Let's see if I can unpeel. Oh no, that didn't help. Maybe I meant to twist. No, I'm not meant to twist it either. Goodness me. They've sealed this so well. Ah, there we go. I think I've got it off. Oh, it's a little lipstick. Oh, look at that. Look at the colour on that. Now, that's a Christmas red, isn't it? And I actually like the fact that it's tiny for in your handbag and things like that. But, yeah, look at the colour. Let me just... Whoa. A lot of pigment in that. That is a very strong, almost a sort of a cherry red. Can you see how that's a cherry red? I like that. Now, they say... this is worth £12. Really? For one as small as that? £12. I would never have known, but there we go. And then there's also, there's also a Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara. Now I'm not going to open this because I know that I can't use general mascara, so this will go in a giveaway. But I mean, a Laura Mercier Caviar Volume, it should be good, shouldn't it? I have to use tubing because of my eyes, but yeah, a black mascara, which they say is worth £5.50, which I suppose is about right for that sort of size, isn't it? I mean, this is sort of party handbag sizes, isn't it? Next we have a Pure Hyaluronic Serum by Pestle and Mortar. I know a lot of people rave about Pestle and Mortar. Its value is £12 because it's a little one. Shall I open it up? Oh, here we go. So there's the serum. We all know that we need to be using hyaluronic acid. It is supposed to put moisture and plumping and so forth into our face. I don't want mine to plump much more, but it's fairly firm with its plumpness, so I don't mind too much. So that, yes, that was £12. Next we have an Emma Hardy Purifying Pink Clay detox mask. Now I love Emma Hardy's facial oil. I've never tried this, but I do love her facial oil. So what does it say? Deeply cleanses, purifies and balances the skin, refines the pores and gently exfoliates, very good, helps to even skin tone and reduce appearance of redness, improves moisture levels in the skin. Well, I'm happy to try that. I actually quite like pink clay. It's one of the few sort of, what would you call it? One of the few masks that sort of pull it, not pull. You know what I'm trying to say, that dry out and pull badness out. So one of the few things that I do like is pink clay. So I'm very happy to try that, and that is valued at £15. It's lots of little things this time. Then I have, this is really funny, a Laura Geller Spackle Mist. Well, I already have a Laura Geller Spackle Mist. Remember when it came in another box and I couldn't figure out what it was? I actually found it to be really, really nice. And you guys were really kind. You got in touch and you said, look, this is what it's all about. So it is a primer. It will set your face and it will also refresh your face. So I actually keep the other one, that's why I'm going like this, because I keep it on a little tray over by here. And sometimes I feel like I need to give myself a bit of a refresh. So I'm really happy to have that because I was pleased with the other one. And this is worth £12.50. Then some Rodial Snake Jelly Eye Patches. Snake Patch Contour, 20% visible plump and smooth active, 1% visible wrinkle relaxant. One sachet of 2 patches, so it's one go, isn't it? Let me just see what it says on the back. Oh, my glasses have missed up. So I'm hot now. I've come in from being out there and I'm all hot, and then my glasses missed up. Let's just see what it says. It works on the crow's feet and the under-eye expression lines. Unique jelly texture supports the delivery of actives to the eye area. I always like trying things like this. I mean, it's £9, so you know, and I know, I've said it a million times, I would never pay that for eye masks, but I would definitely give them a go and feel very luxurious while I'm doing it. Then, something called Alverum, the body oil. A body oil. I like a body oil. We get a lot of facial oils. We don't so often get body oils. A body oil. It's a nourish and rejuvenate body oil for £18, which is a nice sensible price because it's not a bad sized bottle. It's 30 mils. Here we go. It says, restore your essential you. Sublimely aromatic formulation with over 30 essential and cold pressed botanical oils, including raspberry seed oil and alaria. It leaves your skin feeling smooth, plumped and rejuvenated. I'm going to try a bit of this. I love anything like a body oil, really do. Oh, it's very nice. That might actually be it is, it's a glass bottle, so be careful. It's one of those things you don't want to throw. Oh, it smells lovely. Oh, that smells so nice. Let me just put some on my arm here. Oh, that's lovely. It's very botanical, very, not floral, not at all floral. It's very, oh, love it. It's green, it's lemony, it's, now I don't like lemon, but you know, it's got that, just a tint. Oh, that is lovely. Oh, I'm pleased with that, really pleased. And at £18 a bottle, for that sized bottle, that's not bad. That's one that, you know, I would buy again probably. Although I'll know more once I've used it properly. I mean, just slapping some on my arm. It has sunk in beautifully. It is really soft. And that smell, oh, if you love botanical smells, that's a great one. Then we've got a really big bottle coming out of here. It's called Rouge Bunny Rouge. As if it was summer still. It's a bronzing glow liquid. Bronzing glow liquid. What do you do with a bronzing glow liquid? Let's open it up and have a look, shall we? I mean, is it fake tan or does it just put a temporary colour on your face? Here it is. Oh, look at that. Lovely, lovely tube. I don't want to open it until I really know what it is. And do you know what? There's almost no information. I mean, it's wonderfully packaged. It's beautiful. Look at that with all the flowers on it and so stylish. A bronzing glow liquid at £42.40 if you want to buy it. But I'm going to have to look up how you use it, whether it's yeah, one that you put on and you wash straight off, or is it a fake tan? I don't think it can be a fake. Oh, is there something written on the bottom of here? No, that is just all the ingredients on the bottom. I'm going to have to look that up. How surprising to get something that just doesn't explain anything about itself, and get back to you and let you know what you do with it. Then I got another Colour Wow product. This is the Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. As you know, I'm really into this stuff at the minute. £12 for that size of bottle. It's funny that Cohorted would include it again when we've so recently done the Colour Wow box. But I'm still happy to have it because I do really rate this stuff, ladies. This is £12 for this bottle. I have been really quite amazed by how much it has helped to straighten. I mean, bear in mind, this is day 2 hair. I've just got fairly wet, and look, it's still straight. So I am impressed with this stuff. So again, I'm very happy to have it. Next, some Philip Kingsley elasticizer. Again, this is stuff that I love. I buy this anyway. I buy it in the jar. I think it's the best of the best. You wet your hair, put this on, leave it for a bit, then wash your hair, and it really seems to help strengthen my hair, protect my hair. I've been using it for a while now, and I can absolutely say it's a big thumbs up from me for the elasticizer. It does say on here that leave it for 10 to 20 minutes, and then I tend to leave it for an awful lot longer. I haven't done, some people sleep in it. I haven't got that brave yet. But I will go and wet my hair, put loads of this through, because you apply it really quite thickly, and then I'll put a hair wrap on, and I'll crack on and do some ironing, bit of hoovering, whatever, and then go and shower and take it. So I've left it on for an hour and more. But I know some people actually sleep with it on their hair and swear that it's the bomb. I can't sleep with things like that in my hair. It makes me all itchy and ugh, but love it. Next is a teeny tiny bottle from L'Occitane or L'Occitane. I'm never sure how you say it. French, not my strong suit. It's called Immortelle Precious Cream. Oh, I can't open it. Oh yes, there we go. Oh, it's got a little foil thing on it. I mean, this is £8. I've had a lot of L'Occitane or L'Occitane products in the past and have enjoyed them very much. But I have a lot of creams and lotions and potions on the go at the moment. So I think this is going to go into a giveaway because it's a diddy little one. And by the time I use up the others and start this, I mean, you know, what's the point? So pleased to have it. But yeah, not for me, I don't think. And then last but not least out of the box is another lipstick, again in black. Lovely little, you know, beautiful packaging. It's by Illamasqua. I still haven't tried their foundation and I really want to. It intrigues me, this whole thing that you can work out what foundation you are by, you know, looking at their pictures and all that, but I've never had the courage to actually do it yet. I must do it, I think, and try it. So this is called Antimatter Lipstick. Oh, and that's a nice colour. Look at that. It's like a brown with a touch of pink to it, even a touch of terracotta slightly. I mean, I haven't got that much lippy left on, so let's go for it. Oh, that's a nice colour, isn't it? Like that very much, very much. And that was £12 as well. So it's a funny box this month. It isn't one particular product, a whole set of. It's a lot of different things. Oh, and that oil it smells lovely. That's still there. So a lot of very, very different things, but all very nice things, I have to say. There is the mystery that is this Rouge Bunny Rouge, which I will look up. There was the elasticizer, of course, the Dream Coat, love it, the L'Occitane Immortelle Cream, the Laura Geller Spackle, the Pestle and Mortar Hyaluronic Acid Serum, the Emma Hardy face mask. All of these things I'm going to use. I have to, well, there are a couple that I'm going to put. The Avant, which is mine. I love Avant products. The gorgeous body oil. I'm really impressed with that, by Oliverum. The mascara. Another lipstick, a bright red one. This lipstick, which is a fabulous day lippy, and some eye masks. So it really is a glam night. I mean, you've got some things for going out that you would take in your handbag, these tiny little lipsticks and things like that. I always think they're brilliant for in your handbag. But there's also things for having a sort of a real relax. You know, you put a face mask on, you put your eye masks on, you have a chill. So it was a different box, but I still loved it. I love this brand, Cohorted, and I just think that the things we get in there are just amazeballs. I'm going to try and finish decorating the what was the nursery, and I'm now calling the nature room today. I've had some problems with it. I took a whole load of the wallpaper down. I will explain more. I will explain more when I actually show it to you. But I had a few sort of creative issues while I was doing it, and I've changed a few things around, which has prolonged how long it's taken to do. Also, I ended up babysitting for a heck of a long time yesterday, which was, I had penciled that in as my day to finish. I didn't finish, but I did get a lot done. I just didn't get it finished. So today, I'm finishing, and I also need to chase the bed, people, because the bed should have been here a few days ago, and it hasn't turned up. So I'm gonna have to phone them and say, what's going on? Because how can I do a finished room without a bed in it? So yeah, I've got quite a list of things to do today, but I wanted to come on and show you my Cohorted and open some things and just, oh, that is really nice. That oil is really, really nice. I love a botanical smell, you know, lavenders and rosemary. Not that that smells of lavender, mind you, but, you know, I love that kind of smell. So, yes, very happy, although the weather's not very nice. And I will see you again really, really soon. Okay, guys. Okay, guys.